with you this morning. Going to jump into some early morning weather and some weather that's going to be coming into the area. We are looking at 3 days of possible severe weather. This is going to be a 3 day event basically, and each day it's going to get worse. So I do want to go through today's hazardous outlook. Give me just a moment to share that screen this morning. All right. And according to the National Weather Service in Louisville, the hazardous weather outlook is for southern Indiana and central Kentucky. That is for today and tonight. There is a low chance of severe weather late this afternoon and early evening due to thunderstorm developing along a frontal zone. Strongest storms could pose an isolated and brief threat of large hail and damaging winds. So later this afternoon into the evening hours, we could see some hail, and that's just the part of the latest forecast that has taken place here within the last 24 hours. So tonight, this afternoon into tonight, we could see large hail and damaging winds tonight. Now, originally, this forecast was supposed to be for Wednesday, late Tuesday into Wednesday, and we're going to get into that as well. Tuesday through Sunday, 2 waves of scattered storms are expected Tuesday night through Wednesday evening. These storms may become strong and severe with all severe hazards, as well as heavy rain and lightning possible. While severe weather is possible in the first wave late Tuesday night, the greatest severe potential could be Wednesday afternoon and evening. The National Weather Service in Louisville is also saying that spotter activation may be needed. So tonight, or this afternoon into tonight, late Tuesday into Wednesday, definitely. And let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center. Let me switch over to that page. This is for today. So we are looking at a marginal risk of severe weather. I expect this a little bit later to go into a slight category, especially with the large hail possibility. So if you have a vehicle that is out, I would definitely cover it up if you don't have a garage or anything like that, because we want to make sure that we're not getting any kind of hail damage to our vehicles and things of that nature. But let's take a look at day 2. So again, here is the summary from the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma. So let me get to. So what's taking place? We've got a dry line that is going to be coming through later into Tuesday evening and Wednesday. I want to go into day 2 and day 3. So this is looking into day 3. So we do have a slight risk that is late Tuesday into definitely Wednesday morning, afternoon. And that's going to stretch into Madison, Lexington, Covington, down into Owensboro, Paducah, Bowling Green. And this area is under a slight risk. Now you can see down here, slight risk is a 2 out of 5. If this dry line does get, we have that frontal boundary, the triple point between the low, the warm front, and then that dry line. I do see some possibility of severe weather here in central Kentucky, also western Kentucky as well. We could see that go enhanced, which would be a 3 out of 5. So we definitely need to be looking at that severe weather chance that is going to be moving in late this evening into tonight for large hail, damaging winds. And then we also have to look into Tuesday evening, definitely into Wednesday, because of the severe chance as that dry line pushes through the state of Kentucky with that low coming across the state. You've got your high pressure coming in, and where it meets is basically going to be that triple point that we have to be careful with the dry line, because if we start seeing that severe weather taking place, we do have a possibility of seeing a tornado chance as well. So we want to make sure that we're staying weather aware today through Wednesday. Unfortunately, tonight's going to be a late evening event, and we could see that hail. I will be live tonight if that does start taking place. Let me jump into a couple weather maps this morning as well. Let me jump into our Weather KY Spotter page on Facebook, and I want to show you kind of what we are looking at. So this map is going to be our dew points, and you do have to have those dew points to really start spiking up the weather, because those supercells do feed off of the moisture that is in the air. So this is for Monday around 12 p.m. Central, so that'll be 1 o'clock this afternoon. Lexington going to be setting at 62 on the dew points, but check this out in the start of Western Kentucky. 65 in Elizabethtown, 65 in Paducah, even 63 down in Louisville, or down in Somerset. So this is at 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time, and which would be 10 p.m. Eastern. We do the problem that I see with tonight, and let me zoom in just a little bit if it'll let me. You've got these single supercells. I don't like that. Usually we'll have a line that'll come through, basically like a squall line or something, but these are all single cells. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. If you can see these pinks that is in the red on the map, that is hail. And like these particular cells, like pushing around into areas that would be Lexington, Madison County, Danville, and then all the way down here into Pulaski counties, which is actually not seeing as much hail on the Futurecast, but these cells, and then just south of the Louisville Metro, right here, we got some purples that could be up to 2-inch size hail. And so we need to be careful around 10 o'clock tonight for that possibility of some hail. And this part of the map is from my friend I-65 Weather in Twitter. This is also showing that the low coming in, and then you start seeing those cells starting to kind of curve a little bit as well. But still, a lot of just singular cells with a lot of hail that is going to be associated, especially out to the east of Evansville. And that is very alarming, because we don't want to start seeing that hail taking place in the state, because a lot of us, I know myself, don't have a garage, so it's going to be something that I'm going to have to cover up vehicles and make sure that if the hail does get very heavy, that you don't want your windshields busted, you don't want dents in your vehicles and things of that nature. So just take very caution on that. That again, it is going to be a late event, looking around 7, 8, 9, 10 o'clock tonight. So just be very cautious on that. We want to make sure that we're staying weather aware, and that we are being cautious about the possibility of large hail and damaging winds tonight. again, I'll be live as always, and we'll go through those warnings and everything that's taking place tonight. I'm going to go through the hail portion of those storms, and keep you guys updated. But just prepare for it tonight. And if you do have a garage, make sure you put your vehicle in the garage tonight. Also, if you do have any kind of roof damage due to hail, I do want to mention our sponsors, Pegasus Construction and Roofing. Make sure that you give them a call if you have any damage. They are located in Georgetown. Also, Green King Lawn Care and Landscaping here in Lexington. That we are very proud to have them as sponsors of our Weather KY Spotter live streams. And so visit them, make sure that you do that. But again, tonight, late this afternoon, definitely into the evening hours, we are looking at that chance of hail and damaging winds. Late Tuesday into Wednesday, the severe weather does ramp up, and we will be seeing a lot of more weather that's going to be coming in, with the chance of tornadoes coming in on Wednesday. Now, this has been a very active spring season for Kentucky. Again, April 2nd, we had 19 tornadoes that dropped in the state of Kentucky. Now, thank goodness it was just F1s with a couple F2 tornadoes, but you need to stay active in your preparation for severe weather stretching from tonight into late Wednesday afternoon. So again, I'll be with you guys, each and every one of you, and we will keep you up to date and prepared. I hope everybody has a great day. Again, nothing on, I'm looking at Go KY right now. Just seeing a crash in Jefferson County at mile marker 17.9 on I-64 northbound. There is an accident as you are heading into the Louisville Metro, just to the south of Crestwood and just to the north of Jeffersontown on I-64. Be cautious on that area, but nothing else showing up on the map of any type of accidents this morning. So it looks like I-75 north and south are looking okay, other than the construction that you're going to go through coming into Lexington. But I don't see that being a problem of holding you up this morning. So again, late Tuesday or late tonight, chance of hail, chance of damaging winds. We are under a marginal risk, which is a 1 out of 5. I expect that to go up later this afternoon. Late Tuesday into Wednesday afternoon, that severe chance goes up. We are in a slight risk right now. I also expect that to go to an enhanced, which would be a 3 out of 5 chance for severe weather. So just be cautious. Be very, very cautious between late tonight into Wednesday afternoon, so that you can be prepared, and make sure that you have your safe place set up, blankets, weather radio. Take me with you on your phone, iPad, and also make sure that if you have any helmets, hard hats, just hang on to those. I have hard hats in my area, which I don't have a basement, but we do have a center bathroom, and we use those helmets in case of debris. Also, make sure that you have lights, flashlights, and everything available as well, and you'll be safe. We don't instill fear here on Weather KY Spotter. We just keep you prepared. And again, I'll be with you through the duration of this severe weather chance, Monday through Wednesday, and I'll be back with you tonight. Everybody, again, have a great day. My name is Brian. I am with the Weather KY Spotter, the lead forecaster and radar technician, and sometimes chaser of Weather KY Spotter. And my team will be on top of this big time. Mike Bowl will be in the command center, posting all of our warnings and watches. Also, Lynn in Eastern Kentucky giving us Eastern Kentucky weather. Gina in Northern Kentucky. Deanna will be helping me in the Lexington Command Center. and also Landon, our chaser, and Matthew will be doing our weather spotting in Madison County. So make sure that you are staying tuned to Weather KY Spotter. Follow us on all of our social media, YouTube, our Facebook group, and Twitch under Weather KY Spotter. And then my official Twitter, which is verified, and it's under WXKY Spotter. So again, stay safe in Kentucky between late tonight into Wednesday afternoon, and stay right here with us on Weather KY Spotter. Guys, have a great day. Enjoy your day. Hope you have an excellent day, and I will see you later tonight with the impending severe weather.